BCH, we start with one of our chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for correction before we look for trade. Okay, as we can see, this is what we get. Now, I want to see how we can look for trade. I mean, we're looking for buy. In this case, we start with higher time frame. If we mention if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned that if we get any correction here, we can look for continuation. It can give us a confirmation. All right. And if we move to forward chart, we have been looking for this correction. That's mean we mentioned we can put this one still be relative to this. Any trade for buy, this is what we are looking for. Okay, now I want to see how we can look for trade, whether still we have to wait or not. Okay, and if we move to 1 hour chart, we need to look for the trade setup. All right, the way this one is moving, mostly we can expect this one tend to internal correction. That means still we can expect it could move a bit higher. We look for this internal correction for one more drop before we get the trade setup for buy. This is the best. That's why still we can expect the with the breakout of the previous low, then we can expect the price drop to 830. This is an update. Okay, but how about if the price continue from here? If it's continue as a corrective, we are not going to take the trade. The only way times we look for trade if we get any sharp move with the flag with the breakout of this, maybe we can, then we need to look into it. If we get any trade setup, we can look for trade. And the another option, if the price sharply continue from here without giving us a flag, we can have entry above this. And if we want to have entry above this, what we want the price sharply break and continue the price tag. This is not moving. Within the first or second hours, we take out the trade. But the best thing is still is if we get one more drop. This is the best option. All right. Even from that, mostly we can refer to the indicators for the divergence. Anyway, we're looking for buy. The only thing is how deep this one can be. And right now, we don't have any trade setup, and we cannot jump into the trade unless we get the correction here, or as I mentioned, we get the sharp move. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.